مباشر الجيش الأمريكي يقصف سوريا والعراق واليمن والجيش الإسرائيلي يواصل قصف قطاع غزة مع دخول الحرب يومها 120. مرحبا يا شباب ومرحبا يا صبايا. اليوم راح أعلمكم عنوان جديد and this title doesn't make me very happy because the news is regarding my country, Syria, but anyway, we will focus on learning for now. So let's get started and we're gonna follow the same formula that I used in previous videos. خلينا نبلش. مباشر الجيش الأمريكي يقصف سوريا والعراق واليمن والجيش الإسرائيلي يواصل قصف قطاع غزة مع دخول الحرب يومها 120. Now I will do it again and try to repeat after me. مباشر الجيش الأمريكي يقصف سوريا والعراق واليمن والجيش الإسرائيلي يواصل قصف قطاع غزة مع دخول الحرب يومها 120. Now let's break down the vocabs. So we have here يقصف, bombing, from the verb قصف. We have يواصل, continues, from wasala, the root. Then قطاع غزة, Gaza Strip. And دخول literally means entering, from دخل is the noun. دخل يدخل, and then دخول, it's the infinitive. Now I will do it again and try to repeat after me or do it with me. مباشر الجيش الأمريكي يقصف سوريا والعراق واليمن والجيش الإسرائيلي يواصل قصف قطاع غزة مع دخول الحرب يومها 120. Now, make sure you stay with me to the end because there's some grammar rules I'm going to explain and an exercise for you. So the text in English is: the American army is bombing Syria, Iraq, and Yemen, while the Israeli army continues to bombard the Gaza Strip as the war enters its 120th day. Ya Latif. Okay, the grammar note here is the use of Dhamma. Now, I'm not going to go explain the whole thing for you. I'm going to be very micro-focused on the use of Dhamma in that specific headline. So in Arabic, the short vowel Dhamma is used in the present tense to indicate the first person singular, I, the second person singular masculine, you, and the third person singular masculine, he, and the first person plural, we forms. It signifies the oo sound in the verb conjugation. Now, time to practice with me. So, I'm going to give you 7 seconds to read this, and after that, I will read it after you and try to compare your mistakes and correct it. جاهزين؟ تفضلوا يلا الساعة عم تك. Now is my turn. مباشر الجيش الأمريكي يقصف سوريا والعراق واليمن والجيش الإسرائيلي يواصل قصف قطاع غزة مع دخول الحرب يومها 120. If you are still with me, I'm very proud of you and I consider you as a serious student. And if you would like to learn more, I would recommend you to be part of the Patreon page where I am creating a full program to learning media Arabic, and you will have the transcript, the PDF, and the exercises. And if you don't, just stay with me in this channel and I will teach you how to understand the وسائل الإعلام. بشوفكن مع السلامة ومن تحية.